Hi, this is Bear Standing Tall, and I'm going to teach you how to make a tobacco tie. So what you're going to need is some cotton cloth. With the cotton cloth, you're going to tear a strip, which is about 4 or 5 inches, and cut the cloth into a 2-inch square. And you'll also need some natural tobacco. When we make our tobacco ties, make sure you have a cloth and a little strip that you can tie the tobacco tie together with. Put the cloth in your left hand, grab a pinch of tobacco and push it in your hand. Twist it a little bit, then grab your strip and then go around the tobacco tie a couple times and then tie it firmly. Keep in mind that this is a ceremony, so all your intentions are in the tobacco tie at this time. When you offer your tobacco tie, place it in your left hand with your palm up, which is closest to your heart. State your request, and when the knowledge and wisdom keeper or elder wants to support you, they'll shake your hand in acknowledgement. All my relations.